You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more informative comparisons. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and Capital One ultimately hinges on your individual banking needs, preferred level of service, and the types of financial products you're looking for. Let's delve into the strengths of each. JPMorgan Chase stands as a financial giant, providing an extensive suite of services designed to address a broad spectrum of financial requirements. From premium credit cards with attractive rewards programs to small business loans, mortgages, and robust wealth management platforms, Chase offers a comprehensive solution. Its vast network of branches and ATMs nationwide, combined with a user-friendly mobile app and online banking platform, makes it a compelling choice for individuals and businesses seeking a centralized hub for managing their finances. Capital One, conversely, has carved a niche for itself by emphasizing simplicity, competitive interest rates, and fee-free accounts. Their 360 checking and savings accounts frequently offer minimal fees and above-average annual percentage yields, APYs, making them appealing to savers aiming to maximize their returns. Capital One's credit card offerings are also noteworthy, particularly for those who value straightforward rewards programs and travel-focused perks. While Capital One does maintain a physical presence, especially in major metropolitan areas and through their innovative Capital One cafes, its branch network doesn't rival the breadth of Chase's. However, if you embrace digital banking and appreciate a streamlined online experience, Capital One's approach may be perfectly aligned with your preferences. Both institutions are recognized for providing excellent customer service through a variety of channels. Chase's strength lies in its broad service offerings, catering to more complex financial scenarios, such as small business expansion and investment management. Capital One shines in its simplicity, affordable accounts, and digital focus, resonating with those seeking to minimize banking fees and efficiently manage their finances online. If nationwide accessibility, a premier credit card selection, and a wide array of financial products are paramount, JPMorgan Chase may be the more suitable choice. Conversely, if low fees, robust online banking capabilities, high-yield savings accounts, and straightforward credit card rewards programs are your priorities, Capital One might be the better fit. Carefully consider these factors in relation to your own financial objectives to determine which institution best aligns with your individual needs.